Wow! Okay. Ang alam ko sa legend, yung mga patayin na.
Living nga eh. Living legend nga eh.
Oh, sige pa.
And so humble. Oh my God, he's so humble.
But, first of all, this is me. I do not take myself seriously. I don't give myself halaga. I mean, maybe I don't know how to describe it, but if they say that maybe national artists should behave this way, hindi ako pwede doon sa ganon because I am myself. Meaning to say, you should be yourself all the time. Meaning, what does that mean? To be able to express yourself, you should take out everything, any pretenses, and remember lang that ako, to be able to do what I can do, I have to be well prepared. Meaning to say, dapat alam ko yung ginagawa ko. That's one. Then the most important thing for me is that you cannot please everybody. Don't please anybody. Not as yet. What I'm trying to say is, find it inside you how you feel about yourself, how you feel about how to make yourself happy. And how to make yourself happy is to be able to surmount all types of challenges. And to be able to do that, you can only do it in small increments. You know, you'll be happy if I'll be able to make my wife happy. That's fine already. Oh, palaki na palaki yan. I'll be happy if I make maybe my class very happy with what we have done. For me, each little success is already a big success, and it contributes to whatever you want to fulfill. Kasi anyway, lahat naman tayo, ang hinahanap lang natin is ang final hinahanap natin is joy, happiness, yung acceptance, o hindi na masyadong don't use it as your end all. Acceptance of your work, acceptance of friends, acceptance of people around you. Sa totoo lang, it will not matter. This is me speaking. It will not matter as long as you put in your parameters lang na ito lang, I'm happy with this. This is what I'm happy with. Now, I'm sure you want bigger successes. Fine. But I will tell you that all your mistakes, sana, you have done previously matagal na. Because if you learn your lessons, you do not repeat any mistakes. Because pag matanda ka na, tapos you're still doing that same mistake, there's something wrong about how you view things. But again, hindi mistakes ang pinag-usapan. Pinag-usapan natin ay yung happiness in creating your own small successes. Now, when it comes to writing music na, I think the most important thing is to give yourself a lot of tools. You have to make sure you have all the tools na available. And what are those tools? That's why I keep on telling everybody, mag-aral kayo ng music. Kasi iba yung idea mo lang na this is how it sounds. You know, if you study music, it's so much faster to create the ideas because may tools ka. Especially if you have all the tools available there, you read fast, you write fast, and if kung pwede, marunong ka talaga tumugtog ng instrumento, ng piano, o magaling ka kumanta. Because these are tools. You need all the tools. It's like if you're a doctor, if you're a physician, you need all the tools necessary. But ganon din tayo, musicians. You need your tools, all the necessary tools. Because if you have